Hello everyone. Well, I haven't done too much for videos. I've been sewing paper, doing a junk journal, and it's still not ready. I think I'm pretty slow, hey? There's a lot of things that I wanted to do that might be different from other people. So I'm just going to show you. I'm doing two signatures in the journal I'm making right now. This is signature 1. That's as far as I got. But I wanted you to see what I'm doing. And the next signature is going to mimic this one, maybe with different papers, from the same stack. We'll see. So this is going to be like a cooking journal or a recipe journal, whatever. So this is the front. It's kind of got a cup of brown sugar, if you can see that. Yeah. So the back is like that. It's got bakery. Okay. So then I'm going to open up, and I know this camera isn't the greatest, but I'm telling you that's going to change soon. I've got a new camera coming. Broke down and got a DSLR, so I'm fingers crossed, hoping that's going to be good, but 30 minutes is all you can do on a DSLR. However, I think I can work it out time-wise. Stopping and starting is okay, you know, and I edit really well. So anyways, getting back to my journal, and it's full of strings because I've done a lot of stitching. So I've stitched this on, and there's a tag in here. However, I haven't added the back paper to this, which will be my tea-dyed paper will be added onto the back to give this strength. So I still have to do that. Yeah, but I just wanted to give you sort of a little sneak peek at what I'm doing. And then we turn, and what you have here is a little band, little tuck spot, and I've got this. A lot of these images I got off of Pinterest. Some of them I had. So anyways, I'm turning the page, and it's going to be centered once I stitch it together, and I haven't yet because I just finished doing this section of this journal tonight. So this folds over, and there's nothing here. It's kind of deceiving in a way, and I'm not sure I like it. So anyways, the tuck spot's down here, and there's a little thing like that I made in Photoshop. So then you turn the page, and there I put a little belly band down here, and then there's a couple of tags with tea dye. However, this is digital tea dye. These papers are actually really tea dyed, like I did them with tea, and they were wet for days. Air dried, not in the oven. And so you turn the page, and you've got a bit of ledger. You turn the page. Now this is a baking scrapbook paper. This is digital. I printed it and had to trim it down, of course. And then I've got a doily here. Then there's more of my dyed papers. Then I have a vellum paper, and then there's more ledger here, but with the cute, oh, I'm out of frame, sorry guys, really cute. Hold it up for you. She's really cute, I like it. So then you open that, and you have a tuck spot here with a tag. I haven't put ribbons on them yet. I plan on doing that. And another tuck spot. I'm not going to fill this up with tuckies. I think that a junk journal for recipes or cooking, I've got to leave something for the person who's getting this to fill in themselves. So here's another tea dye paper. This is a ledger and blank. I left it blank for writing. This is watercolor paper. It's kind of a gray tone. Then there's more tea dyed paper. Turn that. Then we're coming back to the ledger. More tea dyed paper. Then we're back into this. There's two tuck spots here. I may change these little tags. I mean, even if I put that there, it's kind of lost. So I might change that. I kind of like the backside showing though on both. I like that. But I'm just showing you today so that you might give me some pointers. Let me know what you think. And this is more vellum paper. More tea dyed paper. The other half of the lace, which I use to tea dye some of my papers. This is part of the paper line. The back side, more tea stained paper, and a belly band here with a couple of little tuck spots and spots for journaling. So we turn the page, and we've got this on the bottom that you can pull out, open up. It's got jams, jellies, place to write on the back. Tea dye paper. This is a pocket that I made, and I sewed some of my tea dyed paper on it. Lots of tuck spots in here. And this I sprayed. And this is the back page, which I might add an envelope yet, but wow. I mean, and that's the back page. So it's very, as you see, it's very thick already. And I don't know, I might have to do a little trimming down this way, but I don't want to. I don't really want to trim this down because I've got special things in here now, like this is exactly fitting in there. So I think I'm just going to have to adjust my covers to fit this width, not this width. So, and that doesn't matter to me. Tell me what you think. This is the very first junk journal. I'm actually going to sell this. It's my first junk journal. I haven't got any ribbon added to this. I don't know if I should. I mean, I guess I could. I could probably sew ribbon on this page. Like, I'm talking maybe lace. Maybe a lace. But that's going to make it even wider. You cancel lace on that. Yeah, lace, I don't think is going to be part of this particular journal. However, through my makings of this, I have learned a lot of lessons. And I can tell you, I'm really slow. I'm pretty slow at, I guess you get faster the more you do them. Yeah. So I just wanted to come and kind of show you what I'm doing. I'm going to work real hard this next week to get the next signature done and the cover. And then I'll come back and show you the whole thing when it's all done. But I'm loving it very, very much. I think it's going to be pretty unique. So hopefully the next time I do a video, it will be with my new camera. I'm hoping to have it early next week. Anyway, that's the beginnings of my first junk journal. Let me know what you think. Talk to you later. Love you guys.